Everyone, and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to give a step-by-step guide on how to fix Fitbit app error in 2025. Now, it appears if you are experiencing issues with your Fitbit app in 2025, the app errors can manifest in various ways, such as syncing problems, crashing, login failures, or incorrect data display. Now, I'm going to give you a comprehensive step-by-step guide to help you troubleshoot and fix common Fitbit app errors on your mobile device. The first thing you need to do is ensure that your Fitbit app is updated, so go and update it from your Google Play Store for Android or App Store for iOS. Next, you need to check for your operating system update. Make sure it is up to date. If you're using Android, go to settings, and from settings, you will see the option for system. And from system, choose system, and next you're going to see system update to update your system. If you're using a Samsung device, most times once you get to system, once you get to settings, scroll down, you see system updates then or software update, so you just tap on it. If you're using iOS device, go to settings, from settings, choose general, from general, choose software updates. It's as simple as that. Then next step you can take, digital step, is to first quit the Fitbit app by first stopping it. Now, if you have an Android device, what you do is go to settings, then choose apps, then from apps, choose the particular, you see all the apps there, and then click on Fitbit and click on first stop. For iOS device, you can swipe up from the button on the screen and pause in the middle for double press, or you can double press the home button on older iPhones, then swipe the Fitbit app preview upwards to dismiss it. You can also restart your phone. Simple restart of your smartphone can resolve many temporary software glitches that might be affecting the app. Next thing you can do is you can check your internet connection. Make sure it's stable, either via Wi-Fi or cellular data. Then verify that your Bluetooth is enabled and working. Then you can also restart your Fitbit devices. You can also clear Fitbit app cache for Android devices, and you can clear the app storage or data. But use with caution, because this will remove all the app's data, including your login information and settings. You will need to log back in and set up your device again. So it's a drastic step. Do this if and only when clearing the cache doesn't work. You can also decide to uninstall and reinstall the Fitbit app. That also helps. And check Fitbit server status. Occasionally issues can occur with Fitbit servers affecting app functionality. While there isn't a public real-time status page, widespread issues are often reported on the Fitbit community forums. So you can check those. You can also verify your device compatibility. Ensure your phone model and operating system version are officially compatible with the Fitbit app in 2025. If you want to find this information, check Fitbit support website. Then also check your time zone settings, because incorrect time zone settings on your phone or Fitbit device can cause data discrepancy and syncing error. So ensure both are set correctly and consistently. Make sure the Fitbit app has necessary permission on your phone, such as Bluetooth, location, and background app refresh. Then you can also contact Fitbit support if all this fails. Provide them details about the error, your phone model, operating system version, and Fitbit device model, and troubleshooting steps you've already tried. By systematically working through these steps, you can address most common Fitbit app errors. Remember to test the app after each step to see if the issue is resolved. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.